Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I created this very dewy bronze look. It was super duper quick and easy to do. And if you would like to learn how to get it, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start out with a fresh, clean face. I just applied my everyday moisturizer, but I'm going to go ahead and go in with a thicker moisturizer and then go in with some vitamin E oil to help prime the skin. So now that my face is primed and very moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is a very skin-like foundation. It's very breathable too. So since today we're kind of creating a natural dewy look, this works perfect. So I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with a foundation brush, the Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm going to dab it on my face first. I'm applying it with a brush because brushes give you a more full coverage look rather than a sponge, where a sponge will soak up some of your foundation. And I'm doing this because I don't want to have to use concealer because that creates a more cakey look. Yes, I do have very bad under eye circles, but I really want the skin to be more breathable and dewy. So I'm just going to leave it as is and not have any concealer on top. At this point, you can go ahead and spot conceal. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of powder where I need it. I'm going to use the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. And I'm going to go in with a very fluffy brush just to get an even coverage all over the face, because I'm still trying to keep it pretty dewy. And I'm going to focus this on the places that I tend to be a little bit more oily, like the T-zone and my chin. I'm going to avoid where you would put highlight and kind of the sides of my face, because I'm going to go in with some more cream products there. But I'm just setting kind of the center of my face for now. So I have this highlighting stick by Jordana. It's super cheap, but it actually works very well. And I'm just going to apply that to the high points of the face. This is in the color Pearl Glow. I'm going to put it on the Cupid's bow, on the tip of the nose, down the bridge, on the inner corner of my eyes, and underneath the brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with that same brush that we used to blend out our foundation and just blend it in. I'm going to go ahead and go in with blush. I'm going to use a mixture of two blushes by Milani. They're baked blushes. I'm going to use the shade Luminoso and Bellissimo Bronze. And I'm just going to take that on a little blush brush and go in with a very, very light hand with these because they are pigmented. I'm going to go into eyes and eyebrows. For the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use my Butter Bronzer in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to put that all into the crease and on the eyelid. And I'm going to take that on the bottom lash line as well. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and go into the eyebrows. I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to just brush my eyebrows up. And I'm not going to do too much defining. I'm just going to fill in the little tiny bald spots here and there, because again, this is a very natural, fresh face look. I'm going to go in with the same butter bronzer, and I'm actually going to use it as a bronzer now. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy little face brush and go on the contours of the cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Essence Pure Nude highlight, and I'm going to put that on all the same points that we use the stick highlighter. And I'm actually going to add some on my jaw right here, just to bring that part out, because I think that looks kind of pretty. I do it sometimes, just to bring out the jaw. Okay, now I'm going to go with some chapstick on my lips, just as we finish up the eyes. Now for the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Smoldering Satin. And I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand first, and then dab it with my finger onto my eye. So now that our eyes are all glittery, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a eyelash curler and curl my lashes. Okay, so now that my lashes are curled, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I'm just going to do one little coat of that all over my lashes. And now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a lengthening mascara now, because I like to use both a volumizing one and a lengthening one at the same time to get the longest lashes. I'm just going to go over that with the Maybelline Illegal Length mascara. Now our face is looking extra bronzed. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face one more time and then go on and move on to lips. And now I'm going to go ahead and do lips. I'm actually going to use this Clinique, it's like a dual-ended lip thing. It has a lipstick on one side and then a gloss on the other. The lipstick shade is Tender Heart and the gloss Sunset. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with Tender Heart. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Sunset, the lip gloss that it comes with. Just put that on the center. Hello, I have bangs back now on my forehead. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.